haven't vlogged anything for the last couple of days. Literally just been trying to de-stress, not worry about things. I've got an appointment tomorrow at the job centre to finish off the claim for JSA. Luckily enough, I managed to get the actual form filling done online. Sorry, I was up like stupid early this morning, and no matter how many times I tried, I couldn't go back to sleep. So yeah, I'm considering, since it's a nice day, just going out for a walk up to the centre. I did have it mentioned that there's a couple of part-time jobs going at QD. So I mean, I may stop in there and get an application form. Unfortunately, I've got the most awful handwriting, so yeah, usually people take one look at that and it's like, yeah, we ain't even going to bother with this one. So, and I've never been able to fix it, never been able to sort it out. I think a lot of it is I really do think that it's down to an accident I had as a kid. I don't know. I mean, the fingers on my right hand, they look a bit strange compared to the left hand. I mean, you would assume that they would look virtually identical, but they don't. But yeah, if I show you, I'm right-handed. This hand, these 4 fingers, got stuck in a car door when I was a little kid back in Florida. I was sitting on the passenger side and the door was open, and where the windscreen comes down, you know, that kind of curve there, I had my fingers like so, just kind of clinging to the actual edge of the thing. I don't know why I was doing that, but I was. And yeah, my foster mum, she went past with a couple of rather hefty boxes, and she didn't see the car door, and she knocked it, and it shut on my fingers. And they tried and tried, but couldn't get the door open. And I literally had to pull my fingers out. Never got taken to the hospital. I literally got taken indoors. Hand got stuffed in a old ice cream tub full of ice cubes, and that was that. And yeah, ever since I've been, you know, a youngster in school, it's been awful handwriting, and I've never been able to fix that. I've tried, but yeah, it's never gone down very well. So yeah, I'm trying not to be too nervous about tomorrow. It's playing on my mind, obviously, because once I get into that kind of, with that particular benefit, they hound you constantly, and you have to actively seek work for 30 hours a week, and I'm like, there's not enough in the way of stuff to look for to amount up to that kind of time. So yeah, all I can do is just hope that this is just a temporary thing, and you know, all I can do is just hope that something positive comes out of it. Whether it's going to do that, I don't know. But yeah, yeah, I might go out for a walk later, maybe. Too ruddy fast. Whoa! Where you gone? Where you gone? same thing, is it? Got these little buggers. Amazing. Whoa. Probably missed that one. Oh, God, where are you? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Whoop. Oh, there goes another one. Crowded into. So I took a walk up the centre. I haven't really been out that long. I went in to get some cat food. I got some milk. I got some cat litter as well. I found some treats for Smokey. And I picked up some turkey ham. It was only £1. So that will do nice. I can have that in sandwiches, you know. That will make a nice meal that won't require me to cook much. But yeah, while I was in QD's, I asked about getting an application form. They didn't have any. They said that it's all online now, and I stated that I don't have a printer because the only thing it said on the actual window that popped up was for you to download it, and then you have to send it to a postal address. So, and I mean, the guy that I was talking to said that he actually emailed his one in. So basically he gave me a little blank receipt thing that's got the customer services number on it. So I'm going to have to contact them, and I also asked while I was in the co-op. So yeah, it's the first time in, well, first time in you might as well say a decade that I've actually gone and inquired in a shop, you know, to gain employment. I mean, I don't really count the online telephone thing that I did, which got me into a whole heap of trouble when I had the falling out with a lad that was a friend of mine, because he then grassed me up and I wound up paying for it. So, but yeah, that was not something I'm particularly proud of. That's why I don't tell very many people about it. But yeah, it was warmer than I expected. I'm literally overheating now as I sit here. So yeah, I'm hopefully going to cool down a bit. Yeah, just rest for a few minutes because one of my ankles has decided it's going to puff up. And yeah, I'll just, you know, basically, I've got a couple of shows I've got to catch up on, and yeah, just get myself, you know, in the physical sense, ready for tomorrow, because I've got all my paperwork and everything ready. That's already in my bag. I just hope the weather's going to be all right. Oh my lord, look at those weeds. Oh my word. You see, where's my finger? All this here is weeds. There's plants along there. There's all weeds in amongst that lot. Ooh, that's a lot. Quite a bit of stinging nettle in amongst that lot, but that's my sorbaria. And there's a fern and a lovely big rosebush. That's what that big massive stem there is, you see? Big stem there. That's rosebush. I've started reading this. It's one of the books that I managed to get for 50p, which can't be bad. And I've got my little funky bookmark with the pink tassel. Ooh, pink tassel. But yeah, I mean, I've only just begun this, but yeah, I'm already liking what I'm reading so far. So yeah, that'll help to perhaps keep me away from the TV a bit. Cleaning again. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You're a goof butt. Ain't you, Smokey? You're a goof butt. So, I've caught up on my NCIS show. When I read the show information for the double bill of NCIS New Orleans, it sounded familiar. So I theorised that it was a repeat. Now, I went on to 5 On Demand, which is a catch-up website for that particular channel, and when I looked under NCIS New Orleans, there still isn't a new episode. So I must have been right, because the only one they've got on there at the moment is still the double episode, which was kind of like a crossover episode between the two, NCIS New Orleans and the original one. So yeah, I've caught up on my show. I'm going to get myself something to eat. Then I'm going to work on getting ready for tomorrow and get myself an early night, because the appointment is for 10 to 12. Yeah, it's 11:50 in the morning. So yeah, I've got to make sure that I'm up in time, get myself dressed and whatnot, and out the door, because I've got to get a bus up to town. Yeah, I may kill a bit of time wandering around in town, just for something to do, because I've got to go to the bank anyway. So yeah, that's what tomorrow holds. So I will do my best to come up with an interesting vlog for tomorrow. Bye.